The action model learns from real-world actions. Yours. With background training, you just use the internet as normal. Every click, search, and scroll teaches the model how to navigate, work, and think like we do. It's seamless, automatic, and every action earns you tokens. Sensitive info is never collected. Private details are automatically masked with a secure purple screen. With Action 5 Bounty training, you guide the AI step by step through specific tasks. From booking a flight to formatting a report, you're teaching it real workflows. These contributions are more valuable, so you're rewarded with extra tokens. Action 5 Bounty training also gives you a personal AI trained on your own data. Everything you train is stored in your dashboard. You can review timestamps, points earned, and even delete any step or an entire session, knowing it's permanently erased. The more you train, the more tokens you earn, and the greater your stake in the AI future. Start training today.